Uh, Hello sir, today we will discuss about the microscope. When you are using first time Indian microscope, you are facing some problem. So we are discuss about the problem and its solution. It's very easy to use Indian microscope. First problem, my buyer said it showed double image, and another buyer said one eyepiece is clear image and another eyepiece we are not seeing anything. This is two most common problem which we are facing on in daily life. So the and its solution is, first this is the IPD set. This is set the IPD. When we are seeing like this, now image was not clear, and if we are doing this, it show double image into the eyepieces. So first we need to set our IPD like this. Now I set it according to my IPD, and we are seeing single image through the eyepieces. So first problem will be the sort out. You need to set the IPD according to your IPD. Once it's set, your problem will be sort out. You are not seeing double image and single eyepiece image. First problem. Second problem, when we are seeing through the eyepieces, my second buyer said object was not clear. When he is using microscope for the dental eye or ENT, he said it was not clear into the mouth. So I said him, it's we put 250 mm, 200, 300, 400, 175 mm objective lens. According to the lens, we need to set the distance like this. In this head, we put 200 mm lens. So according to the head, we set 200 distance from the object. When the object is less than 200, I see the image was blurred and it was not clear. And if the object and the distance from the object is larger, then I see image was also not clear. So we need to clear it in 200 mm working distance, or whatever you have your microscope objective. Like in this head, we put 200 mm lens. So we manage the distance in 200 mm, and now I see the image was very clear, and it was very clear, and problem will be the sort out. Third problem, buyer said microscope is okay, but we are not able to see clear image on the screen. Your camera was not good, and it was not a good image on the screen. We are seeing anything, we are seeing different from the object. We are seeing different from the object. For that we will provide solution. This is the C mount object. See, image was blur on the screen. With the help of this C mount, image was image was clear. With the help of this, image was clear. So it is also called focus camera, C mount. It's a C mount for the focusing the camera. First we adjust the microscope head according to your requirement, and then with the help of this C mount, we set the camera screen. Then you are not facing any problem. So this is not a problem actually, because sometimes we are using first time Indian microscope, and any microscope, not only Indian, any microscope, we need to practice on it. First we need to set the IPD according to requirement, set the working distance according to your objective lens, and then only set the camera with the help of this C mount. Thank you so much. I think your problem will be sorted out. and you are not facing any problem, uh, my contact number is 89500 If you are facing any problem, you can call me anytime regarding the microscope. As manufacturer, we are happy to provide you serve as much as possible and as better as we will provide. Thank you so much.